Agriculture Education Show. In Uganda, education is structured around formal instruction, which brings out graduates who are more inclined to formal employment. As a result, the youth view jobs in the formal wage sector as the more secure and the best alternative. The old knowledge-based curriculum could not equip the learners with thorough skills and knowledge to become innovative in order to create jobs, but rather teaches them more theoretical work than practical skills, and that explains the high levels of unemployment in Uganda. The resulting turn away from agriculture due to lack of skills, or the idea of higher aspirations in quotes, is also supported by general society expectations that education presents a tool to enable one's movement away from the garden. If the learners are not exposed to the actual practice in these subjects, it defeats the purpose for which the curriculum was viewed. The SDG 16 emphasizes the inclusive approach to development that is particularly beneficial for young people. This platform shall offer opportunities in advocacy for youth-sensitive national and local SDG indicators, in addition to age disaggregation as a critical avenue for ensuring development progress, making data sources youth-friendly, and fostering younger people's role in generating data on the goals. The creation and implementation of a strong and effective youth policies require whole of government approach, drawing in different line ministries and multiple stakeholders to ensure that policy development and implementation are robust and reflective of the whole of youth. Such a platform provides an important opportunity to strengthen youth mainstreaming and youth policy implementation at all levels, supporting the efforts of creating decent employment opportunities for the youth and linking human capital development in the third National Development Plan, particularly the agricultural skills development, aligning the objectives of skilling Ugandans and maintaining the sector. Generally, addressing the plight of the youth, where special packages are organized for the youth in agribusiness to inspire fellow youth to join and stay in agriculture. My ministry, together with the Ministry of Education and Sports, has partnered with the Uganda National Farmers Federation, UMFE, tapping into their 30 years experience in supporting farming fraternity, its extensive participation in agricultural policy making processes, and its mandate to mobilize, organize, and empower farmers in Uganda triggered the design of this platform titled the National Agriculture Education Show, whose ultimate purpose is to contribute to attracting, retaining, and promoting young people below the age of 39 years into agriculture. Going forward, these three institutions are going to sign a memorandum of understanding to ensure that this platform is given the due consideration from both government and the Uganda National Farmers Federation.